Alright guys, let me introduce you to mostly special powders. When I mean powders, okay, let's drive together. As you can see, all these powders, most of them, they are for whitenings, and also we have glowing powders elsewhere. You might be looking and seeing all these powders, what will I use them for, but don't forget, sometimes your lotions are not working. Some of them they work, but they have different stories about rashes, side effects, and all that. So here comes the powders you can use to also make your product work effectively. All right, you might be considering, should I buy from this guy or not? I tell you, retalk, buy from us. Now the original place be this, so make it not be say I no tell you. Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Now the place where you see original powders, original oils, and original serums. Are you getting it? So I don't tell you now, make it not be say I not tell you now. Also place your order now. We ship everywhere. Don't you really think that a time has come for you to do the right thing by getting the right oils? That you can use better oils from Dubai, better oils from Thailand. Oh yeah, now. So don't forget that we ship everywhere. Place your order now. Welcome to Austin Global.